Hello children, I'm here with the next part of the video for the lesson GUI operating system. In this video, we will see how to customize the taskbar, how to change the date and time settings and different types of icons. Okay. Now to customize the taskbar, we have to right click on the taskbar. As you can see on the screen, when you right click on the taskbar, you will get number of options, drop down list, wherein you have to select the last option, properties. To specify how icons should be displayed on the taskbar, by choosing any desired option from the drop down menu of taskbar button. Here you can see three options: always combine hide labels, combine when taskbar is full, never combine. Always combine hide label option will pile up the icons for the same program and only shows those icons without their labels. Combine when taskbar is full option will pile up the icons only when there are many programs opened up and there is no space on the taskbar. Never combine option prevents piling. Okay, it will never combine any program. It will show all the programs that are opened on the taskbar as you can see on the screen here. It is like opening all your subject books and spreading it on the table. Now let us see the different icons that are displayed on our desktop. The first is the computer icon. The computer icon will give you the detailed information about the files and folders that are stored in the system. Here you can view all the available drives like C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, in case you are inserting a pen drive or any other secondary storage device. The contents that are in the secondary storage device can also be seen here. Double clicking on any drive will display all the files and folders contained in that particular drive. It will also show the memory that is used and how much space is free. Suppose you have created a document in your computer and you have saved it, but you don't know where you have saved it. To find a specific file, you can click on computer icon and search for it. Now let us see what is shortcut icon. A shortcut is an icon that helps you to give a direct route to a specific application or a document or any folder. If you see the icon carefully, it has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. See, suppose if you have opened a document in MS Word, you have created a document in MS Word. To open a document that you have created, you need to open MS Word application first, then search for the specific file you have created, and then it will be opened. So the process is very long. Instead of that, you can create a shortcut icon on the desktop which gives you a direct route to the document you have created. Now let us see what is document icon. The document icon will show you all the documents that you have created recently. Next is the network icon. Network icon allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a networked environment. Now suppose there are 5 computers in an office. The person sitting on the first computer can have access to the files that are on the next computer. It may be second computer, third computer, fourth or fifth. He can access the files or devices that are connected to other computers. Now let us see what is recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that holds all the deleted files or folders. Any file that you have deleted in your computer or system, that will be stored for temporary purpose in a recycle bin. Now let us see how to change the date and time settings. To change the date and time, click at the extreme right on the notification area where you can see the date and time option. Select the change date and time settings from the pop-up window. Change the date as per your requirement. Click on the time tab and change the time as well. When you right click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears which is called as context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. It is also called as shortcut menu. By this, we have come to the end of our lesson. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.